B2 operation. The incubator is used in a neonatal or infant care unit to provide a controlled microenvironment that newborn infants can grow in. Besides providing constant temperature and humidity, it also has the functions of apnea monitoring and wake-up, weight measurement, servo oxygen supply, and oxygen concentration monitoring. Product overview. Front view. IV pole, screen assembly, data acquisition box, transparent cover, side door switch, side door lock, unlock button, storage box, casters with brake. Screen assembly's front view. Alarm lamp, on or off button, indicators, alarm mute button, bed tilt adjustment button, knob. Rear view. Socket to connect water bag and accessories. Display interface. On the top are system information and status areas. Below are the parameters areas. On the right side is the menu display area. Accessories connection. Temperature probe T1 is for the abdomen, while T2 is for the soul, and we provide optional accessories such as an abdominal breathing sensor, apnea wake-up probe, and weighing scale. Both IV pole and screen assembly supporting rod's height can be adjusted according to our needs. To remove the data acquisition box, we just need to press and hold the lock on its top and pull it out, and we can see that there is one humidity detection sensor and two box temperature detection sensors on the data acquisition box. To detect the infant's temperature, connect two temperature probes to the data acquisition box, guaranteeing the probe's color is matching that of the connected socket. Then let's connect the weighing scale, apnea wake-up probe, data acquisition box, and abdominal breathing sensor. To connect the water bag, first, hang the water bag on the IV pole, then remove the plug on the water adding interface. Then connect the IV tube to it. Keep the roller clamp open. When the incubator detects that the water tank inside lacks water, it will automatically add water. Basic operation. Let's begin with the mode setting. Click the parameter key. Now we can adjust the temperature of the air mode. If we want to set a temperature higher than 37 degrees Celsius, we need to turn on the higher than 37 degrees Celsius switch. And air temperature alarm accuracy is also adjustable. On the second page, we can turn on the skin temp alarm and set the alarm threshold. By clicking the infant mode icon, now we switch to the infant mode. The parameters setting is the same as the air mode. Moreover, we can directly enter the parameter setting interface by clicking the parameter we want to modify on the home page. Both temperature and humidity are adjustable. And we offer a recommendation table of comfortable temperatures as a reference. In the system menu, we can enter patient information, adjust the screen brightness, select display mode, and alter alarm and key volume. To enter user maintain, put password 5188. Down here, we are allowed to change language, date and time, unit. Check the incubator's information. Do the screen calibration, as well as turn on the demo mode. To enter factory maintenance, put password 2016. Down here, we are able to upgrade the software and select optional functions, including oxygen concentration, apnea, and SpO2. When these functions are turned on, they will display on the home page. Click it, we will enter the corresponding parameter interface where we can modify the value and settings. On the last page of factory maintenance, we can do the weigh calibration. In Review menu, Parameter and Technologic Alarms, Trend Table and Graph, and Operations Logs can all be viewed here. In Weigh menu, we can weigh the infant and review the weighing data. To weigh the infant, first, press the Adjust the Bed key to level the bed, then click Start and follow the prompt messages on the screen to conduct the weighing. Simply clicking the lock key and selecting Yes on the pop-up dialog can we lock the screen.